So it's Thanksgiving, and unlike most of my videos that I'm going to be doing talking about tech, I'm going to actually do an honest, heartfelt video talking just about saying thank you, talking about, a little Thanksgiving message that I have, and then of course just kind of a little bit of discussion and I guess what I'm thankful for. So first off, I want to talk about Thanksgiving in general, is that, I have not done too many videos on this channel where I actually just talk about something untech related and just genuinely heartfelt. So Thanksgiving is a time where everyone should be, of course, thankful for what they have. And I understand that, companies and stuff have done, Black Friday sales earlier and earlier. Yes, in tech and other things too, but they've done it so early that, you'll be eating Thanksgiving dinner, thankful for everything you have, and then within 30 minutes you'll be out there trying to get deals on stuff and get more, I guess, you're trying to find more things that you want. And I feel like, that's kind of hurt the Thanksgiving feel, I guess. Not really thankful if you're going out and trying to want more stuff. So that's just my look at it. But I wanted to take today just to say thank you for everything. Individually say thankful for what I'm thankful for. And I know this isn't tech related, and I know that people are going to be like, well, why are we doing this? But I feel like it's kind of important because if you know some of my backstory, I've been doing this channel for a while. Doesn't really appear to be going anywhere, but it's fine. There's some free stuff every once in a while. I'm thankful for that, of course. But a couple of things I'm thankful for, in particularly, is actually a lot of the support and stuff that's kind of been going on. A lot of people that have been sticking around, helping out. There's been a lot of people that are on those videos. I really do appreciate those people that comment. A little bit of the background story of this channel as well is that I'm only 17, and the fact that most of my audience is double if not triple my age is also something I'm really cool and thankful for. Some other things I would say is I really am thankful to be able to do this, to be able to sit down and make YouTube videos and sit down and talk with people and actually have some type of impact. I know the Verge video was really a fun video to make. I'm thankful that I was actually able to make those videos. I'm also thankful for something to being able to do all this stuff, to have the equipment, have the cameras, have all the stuff that I need in order to make videos. I mean, not necessarily need, I mean, it's just a certain quality thing, like these lights, all this stuff that, if you watch a video from a year ago, you'll see that it was a very different amount of quality in the videos. And I mean, I won't say that my videos are anywhere near professional, they're not. But I would say that, the difference between something that's pretty unwatchable with horrible audio and really bad lighting compared to something that's at least watchable at this point, I'm really thankful for as well. And, a lot of people will sit down and they'll be like, why are you making this video? This isn't really tech related. And I want to say, well, first off, I feel like y'all are become kind of part of my life, everyone, for the last year or so. And I feel like that's kind of something I want to share, is that, I'm thankful for everyone that's kind of contributed and kind of made this channel what it is. And, yesterday, I've actually missed a couple videos this week because I've been kind of thinking of what I want to do for Thanksgiving. And I just thought I was like, well, I'll just talk about what I think or what I really want to say. And I mean, that's not necessarily something that's tech related, of course, but I feel like it's Thanksgiving. We should at least take one day out of all my videos that I make every year and just say, of course, thank you for everyone that watches. Thank you for everyone that's kind of made an impact. And we're almost at 3,000 subscribers, which is kind of the other reason why I want to do this. We're I think at the time 50 away or something, which is kind of a big number as well, which I do really appreciate. I mean, we're 3% to 100K, which is a bit away, but I mean, it's small numbers, but I'm really thankful for everyone that's bothered to subscribe, watch anything, things like that. I'm thankful that I was able to do this and still able to do this. So yeah, thank you, and happy Thanksgiving, everybody.